Hi everyone, this is my facial care routine and this is my toner. First of all, I'm gonna clean my face all over to wipe using the pad. Toriden toner, hindi po siya mahapde and so on, cooling siya sa may mukha ko, sa face ko. Then next is my serum, is Toriden also. Maganda po siya. So far, yung ginamit ko na serum na to, suit sa may face ko kasi masyadong sensitive yung skin ko at nagkaka-pimples ako. Next is my serum. Same is Toriden also. Yung mukha ko dito po yung paggamit ko ng serum. So far, okay siya. Yung nawawala po yung pimples ko kasi napaka-sensitive ng skin ko at yung may mga open pores ako. So on, nung nag-start akong gumamit nito, nakita ko agad yung changes. May package pala ako, so let's check. This is the Toriden that I just ordered kasi paubos na yung Toriden ko na serum at yung toner. Tapos, yung cream din na moisturizer, paubos na din. At kasama yung spatula. So, here is it. The new and this is the old. Usually po yung ginagamit ko is blue na Toriden na moisturizing cream. But, so far, gusto kong itry yung green na Toriden kasi for the redness skin at yung napaka-sensitive na skin. So, I have my another parcel. It's Cetaphil Acne Pro. This is my facial wash. After my serum, I'm gonna put the moisturizing cream, Toriden as well. Actually, may spatula po yung cream ng moisturizer but I'm not using it. Kakamayin mo pa din naman kasi kailangan pa din ng fingertips mo para i-massage yung face mo. So, I don't need it. Minamassage ko lang po a few minutes yung face ko para lang ma-relax siya. Then, may final cream talaga pero minsan ko lang ito ginagamit like something thrice or twice a week. Anyway, ladies, mahal pa naman yung magpa-schedule or magpa-appointment ng mga facial treatments. So, kung kaya lang din naman ng sarili nyo by yourself na ma-maintain yung mukha nyo, yung face nyo, para hindi na kayo gumastos pa sa may mga facial treatment na yan. So, why not to try this moisturizing at yung Toriden na to? Ilalagay ko po sa comment section yung link if you want to order yung Toriden na ginagamit ko na serum, moisturizing cream at yung toner. Link on the comment below. Thanks! At after that, ang face ko, ng routine, kailangan kong i-brush yung buhok ko before ako matulog. And that's all. Thank you for watching. So, i-comment ko yung link na ginagamit kong facial care. And that's all. Thank you for watching.